Hi everyone. Today we discuss about the topic the reversible process. So a process is reversible when its direction can be reversed at any point by an infinitesimal change in external conditions. So if you consider the change in external, very small change in external conditions, we can reverse that process. So that process is considered as reversible process. So for example, we can take the expansion of gas in a piston cylinder arrangement. So here we can see the diagram how the expansion of gas takes place in a piston cylinder arrangement. Here you can see there is a gas inside this cylinder and we have the piston assembly. From this piston assembly, we can assume that a mass M is suddenly slid from the piston. So how the process takes place here? So that we have to consider in this explanation. So consider the simple expansion of gas in a piston cylinder arrangement. So here the gas trapped inside the cylinder, it is taken as the system, all else is the surroundings. So whatever the gas we have inside the cylinder, that can be taken as the system, remaining the piston, the outside whatever we have, that can be considered as the surroundings. So here assume that the piston slides within the cylinder without any friction. And we assume that the piston and cylinder neither absorb nor transmit heat. That means Q is equal to 0. Now you imagine that the mass M is suddenly slid from the piston to the shelf. So the piston assembly, what happens? The piston assembly accelerates upward, reaching its maximum velocity at the point where the upward force on the piston just balances its weight. So what happens? Its momentum carries it to higher level and it reverses direction. So what happens then? The piston assembly oscillates with decreasing amplitude and then ultimately comes to rest at an equilibrium position at a level above its initial position. So here we can observe in the diagram that the piston assembly, it will reach another position, that is with a differential change in displacement. There is a delta L is the displacement, M is the mass. So when mass M is suddenly slid from the piston to the shelf, we can see the piston will be oscillating up and down and then finally reaches its position with a small difference, that is with a small infinitesimal change in the displacement, that is a delta L. So in this way we can consider the reversible process, how the reversible process takes place in a piston cylinder arrangement. So we can see some of the conditions, that is the reversible process is frictionless process and the driving forces are differential in magnitude and also its direction can be reversed at any point by a differential change in external conditions. So you just change the external conditions, we can reverse its direction. So in this way we can see the properties of the reversible process. Derive an equation for the work done. So now consider the compression or expansion of the gas caused by the displacement of the piston in a cylinder. So generally what we consider the equation dW is equal to force into displacement. So that is the work done. Here we consider the force exerted by the piston on the gas, it's equal to the product of piston area and the pressure of the gas. So the force is equal to pressure into cross-sectional area. Similarly, the displacement of the piston, it's equal to the volume change of the gas divided by the cross-sectional area of the piston. So dl is equal to d into v by a. In this way, we have to substitute this f and dl in the above equation. dw is equal to f dl. After substitution, we get dw is equal to minus pa into dv by a. So finally, we get the equation dw is equal to minus pdv. And we integrate this equation with the limits, taking 1 and 2 as the limits. So the work done is equal to minus integral V1 to V2 PdV. That means we consider the pressure is almost constant, but only the volume will be changing from V1 to V2. So we consider the work done. The minus sign indicates the work done on the system. So work done is equal to minus integral V1 to V2 PdV. So this equation is used for mechanically reversible processes. So many mechanically reversible processes, the work done can be calculated by using this equation. So this is about reversible process and its equation for the work done on the system. So if you like my description, then you please subscribe my channel, give a like, share and comment. Thank you.